Hi guys, so if you're watching this, that means you're watching a replay. Another Friday is here, and I'm going to wait until few of you hop on. And before that, let me clean my lips for the lip look for today. And as I mentioned, it's a gloomy weather here in NC. Yesterday it was raining all day actually. Today it's not raining, but it's still a gloomy day here. So if you're hopping in, say hi. Let me explain what I have it for my eyes first. It's again an inspiration I picked up, but it can work for fall perfectly, so I thought why not do it, and it again matched my outfit too. So this is a brown smoky eye, I can say. It's like when you do a smoky eye, it doesn't have to be black all the time. So for today's look, it's more of a brown or orangish tint. That's what, like, more of a fall tint. So let me show what I have used. I have used natural tan to color correct, and the first shade I have used, let me show. I think I have used, if you're hopping on, say hi, so that will really make my day today. And I have used the new Rust. As you all know, I think I have told many times, I like I like Americano more. I don't have Americano here, but I can swatch it anytime. Rust is little bit more orangey than Americano actually, but the consistency is more or less the same. So that's the color I have used all over my lid and also on my crease. So you can even wear this shade as it is. You don't even need any extra shades to go with it. So Rust is the first shade I have used, and I have used Burgundy. This is again, you can see it matches so well with the sari for today. So I have used it to smoke out closer to my eyes. So that's the one I have used so that the color is little deeper. As you can see, comparison with Rust between Burgundy. So Rust will be like almost like a coffee brown kind of shade. So I have used it, and also on my outer corner. And then I have used garnet to even deepen the brown. That way it is like a, what's like an ombre effect. You have the darkest of all outer and the rest in the middle, and you have the burgundy near the lashes. So it's like three different looks. And I have used the onyx for lining for as an eyeliner for today. I just used like a very tiny wing, and as I mentioned, onyx is my go-to when it comes to using it as a eyeliner for any any outlook as it is. And for my lip, I have few choices in mind. Let me show you what I have. If you have any preference, you can always let me know. I can do the shade too. Since it's more of a smoky eye, I had few shades in mind. Let me show what and all it is. I have quite a few actually. So the first one is the velvet from the new everyday collection. I haven't used this one, so this will be my first time doing the color. So I had velvet as one of the choices. I had these two from the previous one, the new the Big City collection, I think. So one is Manhattan Mauve, which is like a very cool brown, but it's not too dark. And or else I can do Broadway Bronze, which is little darker. I would say it's in between a red and a brown. So I had these two as my choices too. So either Manhattan Mauve or the Broadway Bronze. So far we have seen three different shades. They are all little closer to each other, but I think Broadway Bronze will have a little bit of shimmer. So if you want to be, because the eye look I have created is full of matte, so we can stay with that too. So the other choice is the nude honey. I think I talked about it even the day when I was showing the final call for the limited edition. So we can do nude honey too, that way it will be really subtle with the smoky eye. So that is another choice. But if you are someone who likes to pair it with darker lips, we can do that too. So these will be some other choices to go with this outfit. So it's deep burgundy, which will be like a coffee brown again. So that is one choice. Or we can do glam doll. This is always my top favorite with these, and currant will be my top favorites for fall, which I have always done. Or we can do star garnet. Again, it's like a brown, but it's like a reddish brown, I would say, like a more of a maroonish shade rather than the coffee brown. So these are some of the choices. I think I'm going to go with maybe first one layer of Broadway bronze to see how it is, and maybe we can layer different colors if you want to. So let me go ahead. I already cleaned my lips, and as I mentioned, it's a gloomy day again in Charlotte. I think it was closer to 66 today, when I think it's dropped all the way to 60s, and it's going to 40s even this week. So it's going to be literally cold week, I would say. So let me do first layer of Manhattan Mauve, and if you have any other shade in high you want me to switch to for the other layers, we can do I can do. Hi Ekta, good morning. Thank you so much, Ekta. Today I think I was having 2 or 3 choices to wear from that, and I finally picked that. So let me go ahead with the Manhattan Mauve. This is really nice fall shade. If you are someone who doesn't like bold fall color like glam doll, or even currant, this will be a really nice one to go with it. Let me do one layer, and maybe we can as I mentioned, if you want, we can go ahead with the same, or we can switch between other shades. It's a really light one. As I mentioned, all the recent shades are really sheer. Hi Shailaja, good morning. Thanks for hopping in, guys. Thank you. So as you see, it's really right shade. So if you are someone who doesn't like very bold colors and all, these would go really well, because the consistency is really sheer. So that way you have the chance of going 4 layers or even 1 layer. So maybe I will switch the second layer with some other shade. That way it will be little darker than this. Let's go ahead with even Broadway bronze, because I wanted to do the colors that is in stock. That way you can get it if you like. If I do something which is not at all there, then it will be hard. Hi Prashanti, good morning. Thank you so much, guys. Because of you only I get interest to get ready even for Friday. I look forward to it. Hi Rogini, good morning. Thank you so much for hopping on. So I'm doing Broadway bronze. I'm just switching between any layers. If you have any color preference, you can do for the third layer. I will do that. I had quite a few colors from my choice, like star garnet, all the browns I had. Maybe we can do like another shade for the third layer if you want. So this is I did 1 layer of Manhattan Mauve, and now I am doing 1 layer of Broadway bronze. Here that is the cool part, like I mean once you do, you can mix and match on the way, like you can see whether it's going darker or whether it's going lighter. You can do based on your shade you want to go. So how are you guys? I think all of you, most of them are like closer to me. Atlanta, NC, and I think all of Shailaja, Rohini, me, everybody in NC, and Ekta and Prashanti lives in Atlanta. So we all have the same fall climate now, I think. So we all will be having a rainy day. So as you see, it's like it goes really well with the warm eye color I have done. So Broadway Bronze, the Big Apple, all three shades are really nice. Like I mean, if you're someone who is venturing out and want to try different shades, get us a collection sometimes, because when you do as a collection, you obviously get a gloss of your choice free, not your choice, I mean whatever it comes with it. So that way you have an extra gloss to play with it anytime when you want. Let's go ahead with the third color and a different one. How about, shall we do Glam Doll or Current? Or you want to go with a little lighter one like Nude Honey? We can do Nude Honey to tone it down. Or we can do like a Velvet or Gingerbread, something else to top with it too. Anything is fine. Let's pick one from the... any preference, guys? Or let me choose one. What I have in hand, I think I'm going to do the Velvet, maybe the new Velvet. Let me just do the third layer as Velvet, and if as I mentioned, since it's going to be really sheer, we can even go one more layer of Broadway Bronze again if you want. Velvet obviously going to tone it down, so if we want it little darker, maybe we can go with the Broadway Bronze itself. Let's do that first to see how the color turns in, and then if you want to tone it down, you can use other shade. You can see I have used my hands as my palette for the whole day. I have to wipe it off. Like whatever I did it in my eyes, I was using my hand as my palette. So you can see they won't budge or they won't go for the whole day until I take it out. So I need to use a makeup remover to remove it now. I think I liked it. Yeah, this goes really well with the eye color I did. So I did one Manhattan Mauve with the 2 layers of Broadway Bronze. You can see it's like in between those, and if I do one more layer of Broadway Bronze, it will be all that. Let's top it with the matte gloss maybe. I have these choices. We can do a plain matte if you want to. If you want the same color group, you can do just the plain matte. Or we can do any of these, pigmented matte shades. Maybe I will not do the praline matte because it will turn it into a little pink. So we can pick any of these creamer matte or the hazel matte. So these two will look really nice as a brown. So let's see how the cream matte looks on it. If you are a matte lovers, as I mentioned, I have done my eye look as a matte for today. I am a more of a, I won't say I'm more of a glitter person, but I still like shimmer. So in my mind, I had the Cafe collection, which was Americano, French roast, and cinnamon shimmer. So I thought I will do like a cinnamon shimmer as a little bit of glitter to add to this saree. But then I finally went with all matte for today, and all these colors whatever I have done are in stock, because if I have done cafe collection, it's not at all in stock, so that's why I didn't want to do it. So did you see it obviously toned the color a little bit down. But at the same time it seals the color too. So once the color is sealed, it's not going to go out anywhere the whole day. You don't worry about whether you change your dress, whether you eat or anything. So the color gets sealed, and it stays all day. At the same time you have the protection with these. Yes, Prashanti, these matte glosses are really good, and they work very well as an individual pigmented shade too, like not only to top these colors, but they work really well as individual shades. The last Bella Matte, Suki grabbed it, but that was one I frequently used. Praline Matte will be little darker too, so that again works as an individual lip color. So anytime you just need a tiny bit of color, and I really like this matte glasses to carry, because see, it's not going to spill in your handbags or even purses. As you can see, it's really thick consistency, so they won't spill or make a mess. So it's like it stays all day with safer, and it's easy to apply to. It's very creamy, so that way you get the matte. I mean, any color you can change it to matte. For example, Broadway Bronze has a little bit of shimmer, if you can see, but by topping out with matte gloss, it's going to change it all into a completely matte color. So thank you so much for hopping on and talking to me. And for today's outfit, this one is from Akriti again. You know I love big ones, so this is a big one again I got from her, and this bangles are from GRT. I think it is from how many years? I would say 2000, 2007. So it's like 13 years it's been. So these are my first gift from my husband, so I really cherish them. I still have it. Actually, he bought it for the entire family because everyone loved it. I think my sister has it, my mother-in-law had it, my mom had it, everybody had it. Once he got me, they all loved it. So that time he got for everybody. I don't know whether he got my sister, but I think everybody had one pair, and I had two pairs. So today I wore just one, but this is one of my favorite actually. So I still cherish and have it with me now. So you all have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy the weekend with family. For us anyway, they are considering to open the school. So far we were in our county was having it in online, and slowly from October 12th in different phases they are trying to move the kids back to school, which is really exciting. Hope the kids get to do that, because I really feel pity on them. They get tired by looking at the laptops for the whole day, so they need that social interaction for sure, and the teachers' presence to learn something. So I hope it goes well and they were able to accustom to the thing. Hi Tanya, thank you so much Tanya. Thank you for hopping in, guys. That's really sweet of you. I know when I do my lives really early, but I like the morning light, because I know they say that it's only 2 times you will get best pictures. It's either have to be closer to sunrise or closer to sunset. I'm not an evening person, to be frank, so I don't have patience. And with NC's weather, if I wait for sunset, I think most of the days when I go out, it will be so hot, and I mean, you'll be sweating drastically before the pictures. So that's the plan. I do it before the early time. That way, it's not too hot and you still get that sunlight properly. Yeah. Hope you all enjoyed it. As I mentioned, whatever color I did, everything was in stock. So you will be able to grab them, and I hope you liked the look. If you liked it, I will make a separate video on the eye look too. I have recorded few of the shadow senses and the 5-minute face videos. They are coming up. Mostly I'm planning to release it in the coming weeks as a series. That way you can see the different ones, and it will give you an opportunity to see which one suits you, because I know everybody's preference is different. Some like it very, what is it, like a barely there, a kind of I mean 5-minute face, whereas somebody likes like a full coverage one. So I have tried to cover different things, so that is coming, which I wanted to mention. And one more thing is the makeup. Thanks, Tanya. I have already almost recorded it, Tanya. I need to just compile it. The editing part is the one that takes time. So I have recorded few of them, and I wanted both to be as a series. The eye looks also I tried creating just with 2 shadows. That way it makes it easier. And 5 minutes face, I tried to limit to less than 5 products. That way it's easy for anyone to try. And the makeup class is happening, but it's little late. Previously I think the date was supposed to be 21st to 24th, but it was pushed further to 30th to 4th, I think 30th to 3rd or 4th. So you still have time if you want to grab the makeup bags, and skincare bags are always available for the sampling. So make sure you do it. Thanks, Tanya. Mostly I will schedule something next week. I won't say next week, I still have few to finish, or definitely from the 28th, I would say. So you can look forward for the 28th, the last week of this month. So have a wonderful, guys. See you all soon.